This is a Big Papa Custom. We're showing you installation of jig subframe connectors on a 76 Chevrolet Nova here. Where you have to take the back spring shackles off the rear of the vehicle here, loose on it to get the subframe connectors up under there, and the bolts will more than likely ring off up between the floor panels deal. So you have to drill a hole in the floor to get down to the nut on the top here, so you can take it loose from the bottom there with a 9/16 socket deal here. So to start with, what we had to do is determine where they was at. To start with, there's a couple of humps in the floor here about where they're at. We sort of measured it out and figured out where they were, and drilled a small hole in there, and then took a step bit here and reamed it out where we get the socket down on it and get them out there. And I'll let him show you what we done on the bottom side here.
Right here you can see where it's mounted up in here, up behind that spring shackle, and up here in the front under the spring shackle. Once you get that on, you drill a hole back here in the rear. You supply these bolts here with it. They have different bolts with these, but these holes back here, we did have to slot them out just a little bit. It didn't go over quite far enough, but all the way up through here is this subframe connector. I had the carpet out of mine here. We put a C-clamp in this drain plug hole and use it to hold that subframe connector up while we was working on it. We did have to modify the front of this up here a little bit to go up in the front subframe. We got solid body bushings on this car here already. We got some 3/4 inch bolts and put in here on the side right here. Put the Teflon locking nuts on it. We're putting them on the inside and outside of that frame's how we're doing it. You can put the bolt all the way through if you got room, but look, but you can see how this subframe is not square there. And right here's how we done the other side. We cut 1/2 inch off the corner there and slotted that back. This is a part that slides up in here, the U up over the top of this bolt, which you have to take it down, or loosen it up. We put something under here to support it, the jack and this, that, and the other. But right here's a look on this side at the spring shackle here. Got one bolt out of it, but you can see kind of where it goes. And right there's the top of the subframe connector there. You can see the 3 bolts in there. One of them, there's a thing goes up in there, kind of a guide deal. And then the other 2, like I said, we had to slot them out. And then your frame rails right there, where that other part, where it showed you the bolt on the other side slots through there. But this is Big Papa Customs. Hope it's been a help to you. Little bit of what we're doing here, but thanks for watching our channel. Like, subscribe, comment, share it with some of your friends, and we'll do some more on this old car when we get a chance. But thanks for watching. God bless you.